Okay, introducing tonight Jaiveer Shergill of the Congress Party, GVL Narasimha Rao of the BJP, Rahul Ishwar, social activist. He actually leans on the side of Sant Rampal. I cannot understand why. SK Garg, who was Sant Rampal's lawyer, was supposed to come on the program. He is absent tonight. I don't know why. Either Prakash Sharma, former convener of the Bajrang Dal, is joining us from Kanpur. He supports the Sant. I don't know why. Ashish Khaitan of the Aam Aadmi Party, Hartosh Singh Bal of Caravan, and Kamal Farooqi, thank you very much, political analyst. So GVL Narasimha Rao, you can't act against the godman, so you beat up journalists. I mean, what kind of attitude is this? You can't act against the godman. You have been completely exposed. You have given him time. You've let him escape. Is this the, ये किसके अच्छे दिन आ रहे हैं GVL जी? हमें तो लगता है कि अच्छे दिन सिर्फ आजकल ये संत बाबा लोगों के आए हैं या हिंदू महासभा के अच्छे दिन आए हैं. Is this the अच्छे दिन you promised? Is this the अच्छे दिन you promised?
But Arnab, you have seen the manner in which the police crackdown.
Police crackdown did not happen. Police crackdown should have happened earlier.
The kind of efforts that are being made.
So when did you act?
I think
the police crackdown. One second. The only crackdown I have seen is the police crackdown on the media. So I presume today that this is how the media is going to be treated.
No.
Under a BJP government. That when we question why the BJP state government does not act, you go and thrash the journalist instead.
No, I think.
Why did you not act against the godman earlier?
I think. No, he was supposed to be present in the court.
Supposed to be, and you believed him. You believed him. He has skipped court hearings.
And he was to be present on the 10th of November.
Hartosh, you buy this argument. Let's open up the debate. Hartosh, here is a man who has skipped
everyone.
Well, you have a lot of trust in Godmen.
17th of November.
You have a lot of trust in Godmen. You have a lot of trust in Godmen, even if they are criminals. You still have trust in them.
And we have no link.
Well, you have no link, of course. How do I know what link you have or you don't have? Why did you give him
Arnab, I want to put some facts straight.
Okay, go ahead. Jaiveer Shergill rebutting you. Who's coming in first? Jaiveer,
I want to put some facts.
Okay, Congress Party taking you.
Come on, I haven't even spoken.
That's all right. It's an open debate. It's an open debate.
Party which has encouraged
Arnab, what happened today?
Over 10 years.
The new government.
Congress Party first.
The new government has.
Before they can start speaking.
Mr. Narasimha Rao, let me complete. Let me put some facts straight, then you can debate it.
Under your
then you can debate it. Let me put some facts. What happened, Arnab, today is a complete, miserable failure to handle or fail their first step of handling a law and order situation.
Let's put the facts. Let's put the facts
straight.
Failed it was your government,
and
you hear the voices of
the fact is
Bhupender Singh Hooda.
Arnab,
what is Mr. Hooda saying today? Why didn't you play that, Arnab? I want people of the country to hear what Mr. Hooda has to say. The Congress, let them not speak in two voices.
Mr. Rao, an observation I make nowadays, just come in. No, first of all, both of you separate a minute. Give me a minute to come into the debate. 1 second, GVL Narasimha Rao, 1 second, Mr. Shergill, hold on. This is Arnab here, not Mr. Narasimha Rao, because both of you have decided to speak over each other, so I'm going to come in. So my question is, please tell me, when was your Mr. Khattar sworn in as Chief Minister?
Hardly 3 weeks ago.
Okay, fine. No. Second question. Now wait, 1 second. Let me completely reveal how inept the BJP government has been first. Second, when was the arrest warrant issued against this Sant Rampal character?
I think you know the answer. Arnab.
No, I am asking you the question. I want you to tell me. 1 second. I want you to tell me. Because you promised a strong, effective government. Pakki sarkar, majboot sarkar. आप बताइए मुझे 5th of November arrest warrant was issued. No, 1 minute. Mr. Shergill, please wait. 5th of November arrest warrant was issued, right or wrong?
Right, and he was expected to be present on
Really? I mean, he was supposed to be present. Thousands of people were gathering there. They were fortifying themselves. First line of defense, second line of defense, human chain, arms were being shown out there. What were you doing all this while? You were having a party. What were you doing all this while?
If the police, let me say this, if the police had resorted to the kind of action they were forced to do today, if we had done this 3 days ago, you would have raised thousands of
Oh,
questions.
please,
Common
don't
people,
tell me that.
ordinary
Don't tell,
women
this
and
is
children
so.
were being taken.
No,
were
I
being
don't,
used as human
that's a laughable
shields.
argument.
The collateral damage would have
Ashish
been so
Khaitan, Aam
severe.
Aadmi Party, Hartosh, please come in.
collateral
Kamal
damage
Farooqui,
would have
everyone
been so
come into the
severe.
debate. It's an open debate now. Now,
Can I just make a point?
Ashish
A
Khaitan
simple
coming in.
submission.
Ashish Khaitan is
Yes.
asking the BJP something.
Arnab,
One
let me
second.
get into
And
the-
keep in mind, this was a government which said we'll give you a strong
Yeah.
government. Pakki
I
sarkar aur
just want
achhe
to
din.
ask,
Kiski
I just
pakki
want to
sarkar
ask
aur
the
kiske
BJP
achhe
one
din?
simple question.
Ashish Khaitan.
Arnab,
Ashish Khaitan.
I just want to ask the BJP just one simple question. There are so many godmen in Haryana, and most of them have criminal cases, including cases of rape, extortion, and murder. And these cases predate the formation of a BJP government in the state. What was the BJP doing when they were going and approaching and bowing their heads before them, including Mr. Khattar, seeking their support
Yeah.
in their election campaign? When you take the support of criminals
on, I
and
think
you form
Aam
the
Aadmi
government,
Party,
Let
the
him complete.
obligation is on the
does not
government to
Let him
return the
complete.
favors.
Law. Your own chief minister.
Then the obligation
your
is
own
on the
chief
government to
minister
return the
indulges in
favors.
lawless acts
I want to ask you
on
just
the
one thing.
ramparts.
Do-
Your own chief minister.
Is the government
was
in
breaking
Haryana
law.
a constitutionally elected
He was
government?
threatening the country that he
Does the
would,
government
he would
in
not
Haryana
let
believe in
26
the
January
equality
celebrations
before the
to
law?
happen? You want to raise
Will
questions
the
about
writ
us?
of the law,
I think it's shameful that Aam
will the
Aadmi Party
writ of the
raises
law
such questions.
don't let
And
this
the manner
degenerate
in
into
which
a
you went
shouting match.
around religious
This is
leaders,
not about
the
BJP
manner
versus
the manner
Aam
in
Aadmi
which you
Party.
went to,
This is
the
not
manner
about
in which
BJP
you went
versus
to
Congress.
different
This is about
Bukharis
the
of the
rule
world,
law.
seeking support.
Do you understand the
religious
meaning of the
support?
rule of
I think
law?
you have no
Even
locus
68
standi
years
to raise
after
such
independence,
questions.
if we have to explain you
Aam Aadmi
the rule
Party
of
has
law,
no locus
the
standi.
equality before
I am
the
not
law,
willing to listen
the
to your-
value,
I am
the
not willing
essence,
to
the
listen to
spirit
your
of constitutional
lecturing.
democracy,
Better start practicing
then BJP doesn't deserve to be in government in Haryana. You don't deserve to be in government in Haryana if you are going to degenerate this into a BJP versus AAP debate.
Democracy.
This is
When you
not a
broke
BJP
law-
versus AAP debate.
Do politicians
Not about Aam Aadmi Party versus
do politicians have the guts?
about the
One second,
law.
one second, one second, Ashish Khaitan, 1 second, GVL Narasimha Rao. Question is, do politicians have the guts? 1 minute, time to call a spade, please, and don't stop me. Do politicians have the guts to take on godmen? No. You've outsourced crowdsourcing to godmen. When Asaram Bapu was accused by a 16-year-old girl of sexually assaulting her, your BJP leaders were supporting Asaram. There were many BJP leaders who were supporting Asaram. When the Khap Panchayats carried out murders
He is in
in the
jail.
name of a parallel justice
think you
system,
can come to
the
your
senior-most
conclusions,
BJP leaders,
always prevail.
the senior-most BJP and Congress leaders supported the Khap
You have to
Panchayats.
look case by case.
What case? Which case do you want to pick up? Baba Ramdev. You won't like it. But when there were allegations of tax evasion against Baba Ramdev, did political parties who benefited from him speak a word against him? Who do you want me to name? Which case do you want me to take?
You cannot
Rahul
paint
Ishwar.
all gurus with the same brush.
I am
That is
talking-
a mistake
The
that we are
UPA
doing. You
government,
cannot
why
paint
did they-
all
Do
gurus with the
politicians
same
use
brush.
gurus,
This
Rahul
is an
Ishwar?
issue.
Do politicians use these gurus?
BJP government
Do
can-
politicians
This
use
is
these
a-
gurus? Yes or no?
Arnabji, no, you cannot generalize. You cannot generalize a thing like that.
Arnab,
And
let me put some facts
this is
in
an
there.
issue. We are all on
Rahul.
the same page. We may be on different paragraphs.
Let's talk
We
about
are
the
all on the
specifics.
same page on this. We
Let's
are
talk
all on
about
the
the
same page,
specifics.
but on the different paragraphs.
Let's
Attack
talk
on
about
the
the
media is
specifics. Let's
unacceptable.
talk about all
Attack on media is unacceptable.
BJP was
Definitely.
all-lobbying.
Let us talk about
With
this case.
godmen,
We all would want.
serious accusations
We all
Ashish
want.
Wanda, let Rahul Ishwar complete. Yeah, Rahul.
of rape and murder was supporting the BJP, and BJP was
We all want this particular guru to abide by the law. The chief minister of the state has particularly said that all organization, spiritual or community organization, will only say law is beyond all else. We are all below the law. We all want law to be implemented. But the issue is of approach. We don't want soft pedaling. Neither do we want a kind of hard pedaling. We cannot just because he is a so-called godman, we cannot have a hard pedaling approach.
What is hard
It's a very
pedaling?
sensitive
What-
issue.
don't
We should
talk
take care of
rubbish.
the
1
collateral
second,
damage.
Rahul Ishwar.
There are
Rahul
women,
Ishwar, that's
there are
absolute
women,
rubbish.
there are
What is
children.
hard pedaling? No, 1 second. What is hard pedaling? You are accused, 1 second, of serious crimes.
There are women and children there. There are.
What women and children? Who you use the women and children as human shields? You are accused of attempt to murder, rioting, contempt of court under under the Act of 1971. And you don't appear before the courts, and the Chief Minister says, we are waiting for you to appear before the courts. I mean, is the Chief Minister in another world? Is he on planet Mars? Does he not know he's dealing with a man who has absolute and utter contempt for the law? The fact of the matter is, does the BJP Chief Minister have the guts? क्या उनमें हिम्मत है कि संत, ये जो संत है, क्या नाम है इनका, रामपाल के खिलाफ खुद अपनी ओर से वो कोई एक्शन ले? नहीं है उनमें गट्स। क्या उनमें गट्स था आसाराम के खिलाफ एक्शन लेने के लिए? डेरा सच्चा सौदा के जो चीफ है, द चीफ ऑफ द डेरा सच्चा सौदा, जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव, टेल मी द फैक्ट, डेरा सच्चा सौदा चीफ, राइट, Kamal Farooqui, is it true or not that the biggest and tallest of BJP politicians wanted the support, Hartosh, of the Dera Sacha Sauda chief? Did they ask him about what a case against him was from 2002, what the murder charges were? Did any politician ask him? No, because he's a God man. He is a quick fix remedy to getting votes. You get a God man on your side and you get tens and hundreds of thousands of votes on your side. You're shaking your head, but that's the utter fact today, GVL Narasimha Rao. And today you've been completely exposed, because what has been revealed is you don't have the guts to act against these God men. You have lacked the guts to act against the God men. You've let them take the constitution of this country for a ride. Hartosh Singhbal, then Kamal Farooqui. Hartosh.
Absolutely.
Hartosh. Well, let's debate on fact. Hartosh.
Let me answer your question.
Hartosh.
Haryana Punjab region.
But taking support.
Hartosh.
Haryana Punjab region, the use of deras for politics is a common theme for all political parties. I myself have covered several standoffs between the police and deras in Punjab. These always follow standard format. The deras which have supported political parties always tend to get away lightly. You see this farce being played out of supporters mobilizing, the police not acting. Look at what happened today. The police knew 10 days in advance this is the kind of build-up that is happening. The police knew what was happening inside the ashram. If they weren't, they are totally incompetent. They allowed journalists to come to the spot, and then they attacked journalists. Obviously, this is a desire both to hide the incompetence of the police force and the collusion of the political masters in this whole game.
Exactly the point. It's not just the equality before the law and the rule of law which has been violated. The fundamental rights of the press, of those women and children who are used as and abused as human shields, have also been violated. Democracy means that you will not permit anything prohibited and you will not prohibit anything permitted. The right, the freedom of speech and expression of the media was violated today.
Yes.
The rights of the women and children who were used as cannon fodder by this Dera were violated today.
To Kejriwal.
The equality before the law, the very basic tenet of the Indian Constitution was violated today.
He raises about media, the kind of attacks, the verbal attacks he makes.
Arnab, this is very unfortunate that
Kamal Farooqui, please. Kamal Farooqui, please, is taking you on GVL Narasimha Rao. Let Kamal Farooqui come in. Yes, Kamal Farooqui.
Unfortunate that Mr. Narasimhan, unfortunately, is not trying to understand the gravity of the whole thing. And I assure you, Mr. Narasimhan is very right. In fact, they are not going to take any action against whether Dera or Mr. Rampal or any other son who have been from whom they have been asking the votes. In fact, this is very unfortunate. They are trying to politicize the whole issue right now by discussing Kejriwal or Congress. They must feel ashamed of the whole thing. In fact, please let him come. Please let him come, Mr. Narasimhan. I thought that you would be very reasonable today, because you must have realized that you have done two criminal things. In fact, one, attacking the media. Two, you are allowing that man to be there over there, and he has built up an army, but as if he is above the law. But even today you are not criticizing him. You are not condemning him. Condemn them. Condemn this. I believe at least you will condemn right now. Condemn right now that they are the criminals now.
What kind of country do you want, Mr. Rao? What kind? कैसा देश चाहते हैं आप? एक मिनट. 1 second. 1 second. Prakash Sharma, former convener of the Bajrang Dal, wants to come in.
I'll keep quiet.
Oh, sir, Mr. Rao, I'll come to you. You see, you have made such a... Please understand, Mr. Rao. You see, your party said, we will give a strong government. The citizen will be empowered. जो लोग हैं, उनके अच्छे दिन आएंगे. हमें तो लगता है कि आपकी सरकार में सिर्फ जैसे ये गुरमीत राम रहीम जो डेरा सच्चा सौदा के चीफ है, उनके अच्छे दिन आ रहे हैं. These deras, these religious leaders. Now this man faces rape and murder charges. This Dera Sacha Sauda chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim faces rape and murder charges. He never makes a personal appearance in the court. He does.
Whatever-
1 minute. Let me complete and let me tell the complete
Whatever
reality and then you can
charges are
respond to
there
me, please.
against him,
Is it true or not that
let
the
them
Haryana
face-
police,
let them face
the
the law.
Haryana police says
The government
special
does not
treatment should be
really-
given to Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh? I am asking you, will you give special treatment to everyone who faces rape and murder charges or only to godmen who help you get votes? They help you get votes. आपके लिए वोट बटोरते हैं इसलिए आप उनको सॉफ्ट ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं. आपने तो कास्ट सिस्टम शुरू कर दिया लोगों के बीच में.
How can any government?
The BJP is trying to return the favors.
Government does not sit in
What
judgment.
government? There is no government that appears in Haryana.
All
Prakash Sharma.
allegations and all charges.
Ridiculous. You ask
The government does not run the court.
Failed their first test of handling a law.
One at a time, please. Kamal Faruqui
Come
only.
on, Mr.
Kamal
Faruqi,
Faruqi.
what kind of politics
let
you
me
have
say,
pursued
let me
all your
answer for 10
career
seconds.
is known to people.
No.
Don't
in
be
fact,
selective.
You
I
have,
think
you have
what kind of
always,
politics
you have always
practiced
been
all these
personalizing
years
the whole thing
is known
instead
to the
of
country.
instead
kind
of
of communal
apologizing
politics you
the
have
entire
practiced.
nation. Instead of apologizing the entire nation that you have been shielding these kind of
I
people
think
who in the name of
you
the
owe an
religion,
apology
they are spoiling the
much
whole
more
thing.
than anybody else.
No, you must
Nobody is
feel really
shielding
today.
I think
You
I
must
have
have
made my position
you must have
very clear
apologized the
now.
nation. In fact,
I think the police had cracked down on this. The police has cracked down. He
Don't
will
lie,
be
sir, on
brought
not
television.
before
crack
the law.
down on
So
them.
why lying on
They have
television?
cracked down on
The
media.
law.
Mr.
They have
Mr.
cracked down on media.
One
in fact.
second, the police. 1 second. First of all, Mr. GVL Narasimha Rao, I don't think it is appropriate for you to utter falsehoods on national television. Yes, the police has cracked down after 10 days. What were they doing for the last 10 days?
Come on, who has?
Why were they?
No.
Okay, so look at these pictures and here's question number 1. And I'm asking the viewers tonight, this is a police crackdown. The police crackdown is only on the media. And I want to expose the police tonight because they waited till the 14th of November to act. An arrest warrant was issued against him on the 5th of November. The BJP representative says tonight the police cracked down. Can he explain to me why they did not crack down for the last 10 days? Now let me reveal a little bit more, Mr. Narasimha Rao, and you won't be able to answer after that. There was a mass inflow of people allowed into the ashram for a so-called satsang to go ahead on the very same day that the High Court issued an arrest warrant against Rampal. So on the one side, and let me hear the BJP representative answer. On the one side, High Court gives an arrest warrant. On the other side, the government allows thousands of people to enter the ashram, right? Thousands of people to enter the ashram, which is 1 second, and this is the so-called satsang which turns into a private army hurling bombs at a deployment of security forces outside. And the BJP representative tells me tonight the police cracked down. What kind of crackdown is this? This is the most incompetent crackdown if there is ever one, if you can call it that, Mr. Rao.
And Arnab, police has confessed in the media. In fact, police has confessed it that they have done it.
Crackdown, Arnab.
The crackdown is on the media. The crackdown is on the media because Mr. Rao, आप में तो हिम्मत नहीं है कि ये बाबा संत के खिलाफ आपको एक्शन कर सके तो मीडिया को मारो.
Someone like Mr. Rampal.
मीडिया को मारो.
Who indulge in this kind of
मीडिया की क्या गलती थी? What is the mistake of the media that we are trying to report the facts?
Let me say this clearly.
Media to put a curtain
I think now that
on their
The mistake of the media was that the media was doing its job while the police was
silence
doing
you
the
don't
voice,
expect the
kill the
And you think, Mr. Rao,
independence of
no,
media.
you
That's what
think
they want
you
to do.
no, Mr. Rao, you think that you'll allow this chaos to carry on? The situation in this country, parts of the country becomes chaotic. You'll beat up the media and the media will get scared. What are you trying to do? Now Prakash Sharma wants to say something. Prakash Sharma ji, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? कहिए. Prakash Sharma ji, कहिए. प्रकाश शर्मा जी,
कम से कम आपको ये याद तो आ गया कि मैं भी अर्नब जी, आपको ये याद तो आया कि मैं भी इस चर्चा में
गुस्सा मत होइए, आप कहिए अपनी बात कहिए.
पहली चीज नहीं, मैं गुस्सा नहीं हो रहा. पहले तो मुझे ये कहना है कि आपने एक लाइन प्रयोग कर दिया कि मैं इस पूरी घटना के पक्ष में हूं. ऐसा मैंने कौन सी बात कही कि जिसके आधार पर आप ये कह सकते हैं कि मैं पक्ष में हूं? कानून व्यवस्था का पालन सबको करना चाहिए, लेकिन मेरा हाथ से
सुनिए. नो आशीष, लेट हिम फिनिश.
क्या नहीं,
लेट हिम फिनिश.
आप मेरी बात सुनिए. मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि क्या बाबा रामपाल एक है जिनके खिलाफ वारंट निकला है? अब्दुल्ला बुखारी के खिलाफ 54 वारंट है. आपकी हिम्मत है उनके खिलाफ चर्चा करने की? सुभाष पार्क में मस्जिद बनी, हजारों लोग इकट्ठा हो गए, पुलिस खड़ी देखती रही, आपकी हिम्मत हुई उनके खिलाफ चर्चा करने की? आपको मीडिया पर बड़ा गुस्सा आ रहा है. आज मीडिया के खिलाफ कुछ हुआ, आजाद पार्क मैदान में खुलेआम बंबई में आप लोग पीटे गए बुरी तरह, तब आपने चर्चा चलाई क्या? मेरा ये कहना
हो गया
है,
आपका?
समस्या
हो गया
का
आपका?
समाधान इसमें है।
हो गया?
नहीं
हो गया आपकी छोटी सी लेक्चर खत्म हो गई तो मैं कुछ कह सकूं
अरे
आपको?
अरे आप भी लेक्चर सुनिए, सिर्फ आप लेक्चर देना जानते हैं, दूसरे की बात भी सुनने की हिम्मत रखा करिए। आप कुछ भी बोलते रहेंगे।
कहिए आप बहुत ही आज आक्रोश में कहिए
उस समय
कह लीजिए अपनी बात।
नहीं, मैं आक्रोश
कह लीजिए अपनी बात।
मैं कह रहा हूं कि कानून व्यवस्था का
आपको आता क्या है प्रकाश जी? आप हर चीज को आप मुझे कानून व्यवस्था की बात मत समझाइए प्रकाश जी। आप मेरी बात सुनिए, अब मेरी बात सुनिए आप। मैं आपको कुछ कहना चाहता हूं जो बहुत अत्यंत दुखद बात है, समथिंग व्हिच इज एक्सट्रीमली सैड। I'll tell you one thing.
क्या बोलते चले जा रहे हैं?
I'll tell you one thing, Mr. One second. Now, please.
आप दूसरे की भी बात सुनने की
Mr. Prakash Sharma, just
आप
listen
कुछ
to
भी
me.
बोलते
Mr. Prakash Sharma,
और हमको बोलने का मौका नहीं देंगे।
Mr. Prakash Sharma, आप चिल्लाइए मत। मैं आपसे बहुत ही आपसे गंभीर एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ।
25 मिनट से आपको सुन रहा हूँ।
सुन लीजिए, थोड़ी और सुन लीजिए। आपके सुनने का टाइम आ गया आपका। आप सुन लीजिए। अब ये बात ऐसा है,
नहीं, आप भी सुनने की आदत डालिए।
मैं सुन रहा हूँ आपको प्रकाश जी, मगर आपको चिल्लाने की जरूरत नहीं। मैं सुन रहा हूँ आपकी बात। अब सुन लीजिए मेरी बात 2 मिनट।
नहीं, मैं चिल्ला नहीं रहा हूँ, मेरी आवाज आपको मालूम है मेरी आवाज
ठीक है, आपकी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है। आप मेरी बात सुनिए। बात यह है कि जब 16 साल की लड़की के साथ बलात्कार की बात, सुन लीजिए मेरी बात। जब बलात्कार की कोशिश होती है, जब बलात्कार की कोशिश करती है और कौन करते हैं? आसाराम बापू। तब आप उनको डिफेंड क्यों करते हैं? आप हर चीज में सिर्फ एक ही एंगल जानते हैं, आपको कुछ और नहीं पता है। आपको सिर्फ एक एंगल पता है, दैट इज द हिंदू मुस्लिम एंगल। आपको हर एक चीज में सिर्फ हिंदू मुस्लिम एंगल दिखता है, आपको कुछ नहीं दिखता। यू हैव नो रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ दिस कंट्री। आप सुन लीजिए, व्हाई डू यू गेट सेंसिटिव? आसाराम बापू ने 16 साल की लड़की के साथ बलात्कार करने की कोशिश की या नहीं की? आप सुनिए मेरी बात। आसाराम बापू ने 16 साल की लड़की के साथ बलात्कार करने की कोशिश की कि नहीं की? Did Asaram Bapu sexually assault a 16-year-old girl or not? Did you speak then? आपने एक भी बात कही थी? एक भी वाक्य निकला था आपके मुंह से? नहीं।
उस समय भी कहा कि कानून अपना काम करेगा।
कानून अपना काम करे तो कानून अपना काम करेगा तो ये हिंदू महापंचायत और खप पंचायत क्या कर रहे हैं हरियाणा में?
वो जेल में है। उनके खिलाफ जो भी हो रहा है, वो सब
जो भी हो रहा है, कुछ भी तो नहीं हो रहा।
आप कुछ भी बोलते रहेंगे। आप मुझे जवाब दीजिए ना। सुभाष पार्क में मस्जिद खड़ी कर दी गई, तब आपका चैनल कहाँ था?
सुनिए, ऐसी बात है जब प्रकाश जी, मैं आई एम अ लिटिल। अच्छा सुन लीजिए, आप 2 मिनट रुक जाइए, आपको बता देता हूँ। आपको मैं संक्षिप्त तौर पे बता देता हूँ, 20 सेकंड लगेंगे। जरा सुन लीजिए प्रकाश जी, हर बात को चिल्लाने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप प्लीज अपना ख्याल रखिए। आपको मैं एक बात कह रहा हूँ, द फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज कि आप आउटडेटेड हो चुके हैं। प्रकाश जी, आप ये हर चीज पे जरा सुन लीजिए। हिंदू मुस्लिम एंगल लगाने की कोशिश मत कीजिए।
हो गया हूं कि इनडेटेड हुआ हूं, मुझे आपकी कृपा की जरूरत नहीं है
जी। मैं आपसे अच्छा, नाउ आई वांट टू लेट आशीष खेतान कम इन ऑन दिस, बिकॉज़ मैं आप कहता हूं, ये जो देश की जनता है ना, जो एक सुन लीजिए प्रकाश जी सुन लीजिए। 2014 में है, आप मेरी बात सुन लीजिए। आप मेरी बात सुन लीजिए। अब सिर्फ लोग ये चाहते हैं कि इस देश में कोई कानून व्यवस्था हो, कि ये ऐसे देश में कोई इस देश में कल कोई मौलवी हो, बाबा हो, कल कोई मौलवी हो या बाबा हो या संत हो, कोई भी अगर कानून व्यवस्था को तोड़ने की कोशिश करे तो उनके खिलाफ बोला जाएगा। और हिम्मत का लेक्चर मत दीजिए। बुखारी जी के खिलाफ जब बात उठी थी तो टाइम्स नाउ पे बात उठी थी, तो आपसे मुझे हिम्मत की लेक्चर लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। The question tonight is this. See, look at the BJP representative. Look at the. One second, Prakash ji, don't cross the line with me.
Look at
आशीष खेतान first. आशीष खेतान।
आजाद मैदान में पत्रकारों के साथ।
अरे मैं बोर हो चुका हूं आपकी ये सांप्रदायिक बातों से। आपके सांप्रदायिक बातों से मैं बोर हो चुका हूं। कुछ नया कीजिए और नया कहिए। ये 2014 है, आप ये कोशिश करेंगे भारतीय को भारतीय के खिलाफ लगाने की, तो नहीं चलेगा। उत्तर प्रदेश में आप जैसे लोगों ने कोशिश की और वो हार चुके हैं। 1 मिनट और दूसरों को बोलने दीजिए। 1 मिनट, 1 minute of Prakash ji, I heard you. Ashish Khaitan and then the other. Ashish Khaitan.
Prakash ji,
you see, don't teach me about secularism, please don't do that. Yeah, now Ashish.
The women who were raped and murdered by the so-called godmen,
उस चर्चा को यहाँ
were
लाने का
they
क्या
Hindu
मतलब
or
है?
Muslim?
उस चर्चा का यहाँ क्या मतलब है?
Did they have any rights?
आप रामपाल पर चर्चा
Did-
कर रहे हैं या
Do
आजाद
their
बाबू पर चर्चा कर
families
रहे हैं?
deserve justice? Do they have any constitutional rights? The women who were raped and murdered by these so-called godmen
कि न्यायालय
were also Hindus, and they too have constitutional rights, and their families too deserve justice. And the media personnel who were assaulted today also have constitutional rights. They have the right to the freedom of speech and expression, including the women and children who were
What
used
about
as cannon
Azad
fodder,
Mr. Khaitan?
as human shields today.
What about
They were also
Azad
Hindus, and they too have constitutional rights. We will talk about Azad Maidan when the time comes for that. Today the time is to talk about the instance in
At
Haryana.
that time at Azad Park when media
And
persons
don't
were
take it to
beaten by
Afghanistan and
schools.
Iraq.
Where were you at
This
that time?
debate is about Indian
आप कहाँ थे?
constitutional
उस
democracy.
समय कहाँ थे?
This
जब
debate is
दिल्ली में
about the
सुभाष
rule
पार्क
of
पर
law.
मस्जिद बनाई जा रही थी
This debate
अरे
is
प्लीज
about
नाउ
the
मिस्टर डू यू एक मिनट 1 सेकंड प्रकाश शर्मा जी आपकी बात नो 1 सेकंड लेट मी ब्रेक दिस अप 1 मिनट नाउ प्रकाश शर्मा जी प्लीज आशीष होल्ड बैक प्रकाश शर्मा होल्ड बैक एक मिनट जरा दो कदम पीछे लीजिए मेरी बात सुनिए